In this lesson, we're going to learn about estimating. So if we have a problem like this one that says, estimate how many marbles there are. So we need to understand what the word estimate means. It means about how many. So it doesn't have to be accurate. It has to be an approximation of how many marbles you think might be here. And the way to do these types of problems is to look at a smaller set of marbles. So here we have 10 marbles, okay? And let's count them just to be sure. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So every time you do an estimate, you would take a look at a smaller amount to see how many would fit into this huge sample that we have. So you would try to figure out how many sets of the smaller one would fit in here. So this is the smaller one. And how many would fit in here of that one? So to me, it looks like about 6 of them would fit in here. So we would have 60 marbles. So let's see if that's true. So we could cut this up into about the same size as this. And it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Because we're just estimating here. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and then there's 6. So to me, it looks like this big batch of marbles is made up of 60 marbles. There's about 60 marbles in here. There might be a little bit more, there might be a little bit less, but we're just trying to find an estimate. And that is how you do estimating. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Practice makes improvement. And there's other videos in the description that you could look at if you need extra practice. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.